Thanksgiving, a quintessential American holiday, has a history woven with diverse threads of cultural, religious, and historical significance. Its origins trace back to the early 17th century, when a group of pilgrims seeking religious freedom set sail on the Mayflower, arriving in the New World in 1620. The Pilgrims, seeking refuge from religious persecution in England, embarked on a perilous journey across the Atlantic. Their arrival at Plymouth, Massachusetts, in the harsh winter of 1620, marked the beginning of a challenging new life. Faced with adversity, the Pilgrims formed alliances with the Wampanoag Native Americans, who taught them essential survival skills and shared a bountiful harvest in the fall of 1621. The autumn of 1621 witnessed a communal feast, a gesture of gratitude and unity between the Pilgrims and the Wampanoag. This gathering, often regarded as the first Thanksgiving, symbolized a spirit of cooperation, shared abundance, and the overcoming of hardships. The menu likely included venison, fowl, seafood, and locally harvested vegetables, a celebration of the land's generosity. While the 1621 feast holds historical significance, the concept of a national Thanksgiving holiday took time to crystallize. Over the centuries, various colonies and states observed days of Thanksgiving, but it wasn't until the 19th century that Thanksgiving became an annual, nationally recognized holiday. Sarah Josepha Hale, a prominent 19th century writer and editor, played a pivotal role in advocating for a national Thanksgiving. Her tireless efforts, including letters to influential figures and a campaign spanning several decades, caught the attention of President Abraham Lincoln. In 1863, in the midst of the Civil War, Lincoln proclaimed Thanksgiving a national holiday, setting the date as the final Thursday in November. Over the years, Thanksgiving has evolved into a multifaceted celebration, blending cultural, familial, and culinary traditions. Families across the nation gather on the fourth Thursday of November to express gratitude, often sharing a festive meal that typically includes a roasted turkey, stuffing cranberry sauce, and pumpkin pie. Parades, football games, and community service have become integral parts of the holiday, enriching the tapestry of Thanksgiving traditions. Thanksgiving serves as an annual reminder for Americans to reflect on the blessings of the past year. It transcends religious and cultural boundaries, emphasizing the universal value of gratitude. As families join together in a spirit of thankfulness, the holiday fosters a sense of unity and appreciation for the diverse fabric of American life. In recent years, discussions surrounding the historical context of Thanksgiving have gained prominence. There is a growing acknowledgement of the complexities inherent in the relationship between the Pilgrims and Native Americans. Efforts to incorporate diverse perspectives and re-evaluate historical narratives aim to foster a more inclusive and accurate understanding of the holiday's origins. Thanksgiving in America is a rich tapestry woven with threads of history, gratitude, and cultural diversity. From the early struggles of the Pilgrims to the modern-day festivities, the holiday continues to evolve, embracing new traditions while honoring the timeless spirit of gratitude. As Americans gather around tables adorned with the fruits of the harvest, they partake in a collective celebration that transcends time, forging connections to the past and envisioning a shared future of unity and appreciation.